Hey guys, I already create video about how to use LinkedIn for affiliate marketing. So in that video, I show you what are the benefits of use LinkedIn and how to use LinkedIn effectively. So I will put that video link on description, and in this video I will show you the things that I recently learned. If you are not use LinkedIn for find clients or promote affiliate product, start it today because LinkedIn has huge opportunities that you never see, and most importantly LinkedIn is still new, so the competition is really low. Let's find out things you should consider when you promote affiliate products on LinkedIn. First of all, you have to understand LinkedIn is not a short-term method. This is a long-term and stable method. That means if you build your audience on LinkedIn around your LinkedIn profile, you will able to make sales and promote niche targeted affiliate product using LinkedIn. So let's find out those steps. As the first step, you have to pick a niche and identify that niche on the job title. So in my case, I pick my niche as coaches. So if you try to promote affiliate product related to weight loss, you have to mention your niche on job title. As example, you can say I help individuals to lose weight and spend healthy lifestyle, or something similar to that if you promote health and fitness product. Or if you promote product related to dating, love and relationship, you can just change the title according to that niche. So do little bit research on LinkedIn and find the suitable job title for you. Then you have to add those information on the about section too. That means if you promote love and dating relationship, you have to mention that keyword and specifically mention the benefit of your affiliate product and how you are willing to help the people who seeking information about love and relationship. So this is the first step, and in the second step you can use featured section. So you can add content to this featured section. Basically you can write some articles about your affiliate product and you can add those articles as featured item. As example, you can click on this plus button and add your articles. Basically you can write articles on LinkedIn and add that article on featured section. And if you have a blog or YouTube channel, you can add that links too. Basically add few featured items, and then you have to increase your connection count, because if you have a small connection or if you don't have niche targeted connection, your post engagement will really low. So you have to increase the connection. To increase the connection, you can search some keywords related to your niche. So I will search something like love and relationship. Then there are few ways to find connection. First of all, click on all filters and add the location as United States, United Kingdom and countries like that. Then click on search result. Now you can find people, also you can find groups. So you can join with those groups, and when you join with those groups, you will see the all members who already join with that group. That means you will able to find niche targeted members. So as example, this LinkedIn group has 320 members. All of those 320 members are niche targeted because they join with this group for find love, relationship advice, marriage advice and dating tips. So this is the easy way. Let me show how you can do it. So let's think you try to find people related to personal development. You can join with personal development groups. Then when you request accepted by the admin of that group, you can see the group. So now I am at the group called Success Mindset. When you go to that group, you can see the members on that group. So you can click on this see all button. So those all members are interested in personal development. So you can open those members profile on new tabs like this. Then you can click on this more button and click connect. Before you do it, you have to scroll down and check the activities. So if someone active on LinkedIn, you can find it by these activities, because in these activities you will see the activities that the people who own this LinkedIn account do in last 90 days. So this is a active LinkedIn account. So you can click on more and click on connect, then you can add a note. So you can basically say something related to personal development and related to that group, then you can send the request. So you can check those accounts. So let's see this account. This account is also active account. This account is also active account. So you can find active account by doing this method. So only send 20 requests per day, and some people will accept your connection, some people will not accept it. But don't worry, just send the request and grow your network. While you grow in your network, you have to share content. Most importantly, you have to share valuable content. You have to add value, because you have to build the trust. If you always try to sell your affiliate product, you will not make any sales, because no one will trust you and you are just a random person that they find on the LinkedIn. So always share content related to your niche. At least share one post per day, and when you grow the network, you can increase the post count. Also, while you share value, you can do your affiliate product review and share that review on the LinkedIn account and gain some sales. The last and final thing you must do is engage with other people who related to your niche. That means if someone share content related to love, dating and relationship, you can check those content and add valuable comment and react with those content, because you have to build engagement audience. If you want to build engagement audience, you have to engage with other people, and then they will also engage with your post, and slowly you will grow your network. So this is the most important things if you try to promote affiliate product on LinkedIn. So just try to do those steps and keep consistent, then you will see the result. I hope you get valuable information in this video, and I will see you in next time.